Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a responsive navigation menu with icons using HTML5 and CSS3. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the MacBook Pro itself and the software, which is TextEdit in this case. So now we can go all the way down to the dock, go to the Launchpad, search for the application, which in this case is TextEdit. Click on this, Command S to save as, start a new folder, go to the desktop, new folder, navigation bar, create and then save the file as index.htm, save, yes, use.htm, increase the size of the TextEdit file, increase the font size, Command plus a couple of times, and now we're ready to start programming the responsive navigation menu with icons. Insert all the HTML tags, less than, exclamation mark, doc type, HTML, go to a new line, HTML. Within this, we need the head and body. We can have other tags such as the title, but we will need the style tag when it comes to programming the CSS section. So now we can go all the way to the body and type in less than H1 greater than navigation bar with icons, less than /H2. Go to a new line, less than div class equals navbar, greater than, ignore the spelling, go to a new line, indent, less than a class equals speech marks active href equals hashtag greater than less than I class. I must be lowercase always, equals speech marks FA, FA-FW, FA home, greater than less than /I, greater than home, less than /A, greater than, go to a new line, and then indent, highlight the previous line of code, right click, copy, paste on a new line, and we can remove class equals active, as that is only for the first section, the first icon part of the navigation bar with icons. Change home to search, and then copy the current line of code, highlight, copy, go to a new line, indent, paste, new line, indent, paste, and change search to envelope and user, contact, login, Command S to save, go to the next line, and end with less than /div. And now we can go all the way to the top within the head tag, insert the style tag for the CSS, less than /style. Within the style tag, we need the CSS code, body, curly brace, new line, indent, font family, colon Arial, comma Helvetica, comma sans serif, semicolon, next line, curly brace, go to a new line, and type .navbar, curly brace, new line, indent, width, background color, overflow, ignore the spelling, Go back to width. We need a colon, highlight, copy, paste. The width needs to be 100%. The background color can be hashtag 555 semicolon overflow auto semicolon new line curly brace. Go to a new line, type in .navbar. A curly brace new line indent, float, padding, color, text decoration, font size. Go back to float, insert a colon, highlight, copy, and then go to padding, color, text decoration, font size, paste, float, left, semicolon, padding, 12 pixels, semicolon, color, white, semicolon, text decoration, none, semicolon, font size 17 pixels, semicolon, new line, curly brace, Command S to save, highlight color, ignore the spelling, go to a new line, and type .navbar. A colon hover, curly brace, new line indent, background color, which we can take from the previous line of code. Command C to copy, Command V to paste, colon, hashtag 000, semicolon, new line, curly brace, and then take the nav A hover code, highlight, copy on a new line, Command V to paste, and change navbar A hover to .active. Background color needs to change as well. 4CA F50. Command S to save, and now we need the last line of code at media, screen and max width, colon 500 pixels, parentheses, curly brace, new line indent, .navbar A, curly brace again, indent, couple of spaces, float, colon none, semicolon, new line indent, a couple of spaces, display, colon block, semicolon, go to a new line, indent, curly brace, new line, curly brace again, Command S to save. We can open this up in a web browser to see what we will get. However, this is still very incomplete, as we need to go all the way to the top and insert another website where we are taking more CSS code from in order to make the icons work. If we go all the way to the dock, go to Finder, go to your desktop, go to the navigation bar folder, go to index.htm, right click, open with Safari, go to the web browser, decrease the size of this, decrease the size of the text edit file, so then we can work on both windows at the same time to see what is happening on a concurrent level. Go all the way to the top of the index.htm text file. After HTML, we need less than meta name equals viewport, content equals speech marks, width equals device dash width, comma, initial dash scale equals 1, speech marks greater than, go to a new line and type in link rel equals speech marks style sheet, href equals speech marks, https :/ a couple of times, and then the name of the website we are taking the CSS from in order to make the icons function on the web browser, cdnjs.cloudflare.com /ajax/libs, which is the libraries in fact, and then font-awesome /4.7.0 /css/font-awesome again .min.css, speech marks greater than, Command S to save, go back to the web browser, right click, reload the page. And the reason why we have an error which we need to rectify is because we have missed out a small semicolon. Go back to the text edit file, navbar width 100, semicolon, Command S to save, go back to the web browser, right click, reload the page. And now we have a navigation bar with icons. Increase the size of the web page, Command plus a couple of times, and then decrease the size of the web page itself. And see what happens to the navigation bar with icons. Close out to Safari. Save the index.html text edit file. Close out to text edit. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.